Hi guys, it's me Angel again and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! For today's video ay pag-uusapan natin ang pag-ibig lump sum or withdrawal. I am referring to pag-ibig regular savings guys ha, dahil meron din silang MP2. But for today's video guys ay magpo-focus lang tayo doon sa ating pag-ibig regular savings. Ang pag-ibig regular savings guys, currently ang minimum contributions nito ay 100 pesos. But it's up to us kung gusto po nating i-top up, kung gusto po nating mas taasan ang ating contributions, pwede po. Para naman sa mga employed dyan, of course, ang ating minimum still is 100 pesos and additional 100 pesos naman from your employer. So in a month guys, meron kang 200 pesos contributions kay Pag-ibig. Pero sa mga employed naman dyan guys, kung gusto nyong taasan ang contributions nyo monthly, pwede naman po mag-request lang kayo sa inyong HR para taasan po ang inyong monthly contributions kay Pag-ibig. Pero tandaan guys ha, for example, from 100, gusto mong gawing 500 pesos yung iyong monthly contributions, ang share dyan ni employer mo is still 100 pesos. So, 500 galing sa'yo, 100 naman from employer. So, in total, you have 600 pesos monthly contributions kay Pag-ibig. Ngayon, kailan nga ba tayo makapag-lump sum or makapag-withdraw ng ating contribution sa Pag-ibig? Una guys, kailangan natin ng 20 years contributions or a total of 240 monthly contributions. Ngayon, meron ka namang option na mag-lump sum sa iyong 15 years. Pero ang 15 years guys, dapat continuous contributions ka dyan. Meaning, dapat wala ka talagang isang buwan na wala kang hulog or ilang buwan na wala kang hulog. So, yung 15 years na yan guys, dapat tuloy-tuloy yan and pwede mong ma-lump sum ang 15 years. Pero subject for approval po yan ni Pag-ibig. So, sa mga gustong mag-lump sum dyan, kung feeling nyo na-hit nyo yung 15 years ng tuloy-tuloy, you can visit Pag-ibig branch para i-inquire yan, guys. Okay, so for example, as of now, 20 years ka na sa Pag-ibig. Okay? And gusto mong i-lump sum ng 15 years. So, pwede po yun. Okay? Visit Pag-ibig branch para i-inquire ang ganyan, guys. So, ang 15 years, i-lump sum mo. So, meron kang natirang 5 years. So, yung 5 years na yan, ituloy-tuloy mo po yan ng contributions. Next, makapag-withdraw ka sa iyong Pag-ibig if you reach retirement at 60 years old or 65 years old. So, yung 60 to 64 years old, guys, is optional. Ang 65 years old naman is mandatory. So, kung mag-reach ka na ng 60 years old ngayon sa company mo, still, option mo yan kung gusto mong mag-retire na or mag-continue pa sa iyong trabaho. But, pag dumating ka na sa 65 years old and gusto ni company mo na mag-retire ka na guys, no choice ka na dyan, kundi mag-retire ka na talaga dahil mandatory na po yan. Next requirements, qualifications para ma-withdraw ang iyong Pag-ibig is due to health, separation from your service due to health reason. So ngayon, kung separated ka na sa iyong trabaho because of health reason, so pwede ka pong mag-visit sa Pag-ibig, dalhin mo lahat ng supporting documents mo guys sa medical mo para ma-check mo po if you are qualified for the lump sum or withdrawal. Next qualification, permanent departure from the country. So let's say magma-migrate na kayo in other countries, sa Canada or wherever. And guys ha, before merong nagko-comment dito sa channel ko kung paano daw nila ma-withdraw yung Pag-ibig nila, kung pwede pa nilang ma-withdraw kasi nag-migrate na sila sa ibang bansa. So, pwede nyo pong ma-withdraw or ma-lump sum ang inyong hulog sa Pag-ibig kapag migrated na po kayo. Kung currently nasa ibang bansa na kayo guys, so hindi na kayo makaka-visit ng Pag-ibig, i-email nyo po dito si Pag-ibig. Ayan yung email ad niya. So, i-email nyo dyan guys yung mga concern nyo, yung mga questions nyo with regards to your lump sum or withdrawal. Next qualification, permanent and total disability or insanity. Next qualifications, critical illness of the member certified by a health physician. So, lahat po dyan guys na wala ng trabaho ngayon because of the health reason, so visit your Pag-ibig branch at dalhin nyo lahat ng mga supporting documents nyo with regards to your medical para maipakita nyo po yan doon kay Pag-ibig and ma-check nila yan kung kayo ay qualified for your lump sum or your withdrawal. So, another qualification para ma-withdraw mo or ma-lump sum ang iyong contributions with Pag-ibig is the member's death. In which case, the legal member's legal heirs will receive his or her total Pag-ibig savings contributions. plus an additional cash benefits of not more than 6,000 pesos. Okay, so may mga questions dyan guys with regards to this video, to this topic, pag-ibig lump sum or withdrawal, just comment below and sasagutin po natin yan. Kung may natutunan kayo sa video na to, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching everyone!